So we're back to what's my first search screen, the advanced screen, for a new search here. And I'm going to talk to you about searching phrases. So a lot of times you want to search specific phrases or combinations of words. So you notice I'll replicate the search that I did in the last video, but if I do something like this, moral and identity, or moral and self, I'm going to get a lot of stuff. So that's because really moral and identity could be anywhere in anything and not necessarily together. So if you scroll down here, a lot of these have them together. So moral identity, moral identity, moral identity. But see, some of these, they're not really, the terms might not really be together. And so that means they're not really maybe focused on moral identity. It just happens to be that identity and morality are both in the same, somewhere in the same search. Okay, so what I would do then is I would search just by the term, or the phrase. So this should narrow us down quite a bit because it's supposedly, theoretically, only going to search moral and identity together and moral and self together. I get the strange suspicion that sometimes this doesn't always work because I might get an article where it's still, I can't find moral and identity together, but more or less it works. So you're going to get a lot narrower search. So we lost whatever that was, 8,000 records by doing that. So that's when you want to do that. Now, normally by default, if I were to do moral and search it, it's going to also pick up morals, so plurals. However, if I put it in quotes, it's not going to do that. It's only going to search it as is in the quotes. So if you wanted something like, if you wanted to pick up on that, you're going to have to use some other tricks that I'll show in another video, or you would do like moral identity. Well, something like this would be where it would be relevant. Let's say I want to do moral value. So if I just do it like this, it's going to do morals, value, and values. However, if I go this way, it's only going to search moral value. It's not going to search moral values. So, got to just be aware of that, and aware of the fact that, like I said, it may not work exactly 100% correctly. At least that's my strange suspicion. Okay, so that's how to search phrases.